Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes were flat amid a choppy trading, bouncing around as investors waited to see how aggressive the Federal Reserve would be this week with its interest rate hike. The US Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs have both called for a federal judge to make an immediate ruling on whether Ripple's XRP sales violated US securities laws. In separate motions filed by Ripple and the SEC, both have called for a summary judgment in the US District Court. Amid India's escalating crackdown on Chinese companies, China-based smartphone brands are now planning to set up manufacturing plants in countries like Egypt, Indonesia, Bangladesh and Nigeria, according to a Global Times report.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 0130 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT, the US housing starts at 1230 GMT. The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 hours GMT, Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.